Good morning students, Saira. Welcome back to the computer session. In the last session we have completed Windows 7. In this session we are going to learn the chapter number 3, that is Understanding MS Word Part 1. Microsoft Word is a word processing software introduced by Microsoft Corporation Software Company. With the help of MS Word, you can type text on a computer in a simple and effective manner. So now Microsoft Word is a word processing software. So what do you mean by word processing software? Word processing refers to the act of using a computer to create, edit, save and print documents. So what are the advantages? So advantage is it is very faster and easier, okay, than writing by hand. You can store our documents on your computer, which you cannot do on a typewriter, right? You can save the file, you can print the file, many things you can edit the file. So okay, so there are more formatting features in the word processor. Okay, so what are the different types of word processing here? You can say Microsoft Word. Last year you have learned the WordPad, Notepad. So these are all word processing software. In this session we are learning Microsoft, starting MS Word, creating a new document, saving document and entering the text in your document. So what can we do with the MS Word? Make changes in the text. Okay, you can make a changes in the text, changes the look of the text. You can change, with the help of formatting, you can make a looks or different types of text. Add pictures, you can add a pictures, you can check spelling mistakes and grammar, you can copy and move the text, you can save the text, you can preview the text and you can print a part or whole of the document. So how to start now? MS Word, Office button, okay, start button, okay, all programs, and when you will click a Microsoft Office. Alright, when you start a Microsoft Word, okay, before that we will learn the components. What are the components of Microsoft Word? Can you see the components here? First of all, Office button. The Office button, okay, by clicking the Office button a menu appears, right, which are the file, open, right, save, right. You can perform other tasks. You can save your file with the help of Office button, because here quick access toolbar is there, right. And can you see the vertical ruler? So vertical ruler, what measures the height of a document, and up you can see title bar. The title bar will display name of the current document and application. By default you can see always the document 1. You have not saved the file, so always a document 1. Okay, now understood Office button and the title bar and vertical ruler. So can you see the ribbon now? Okay, so ribbon is located at the top of the screen and just below the quick access toolbar. The whole thing that's known as ribbon. The ribbon is divided into how many parts? 3 parts: tabs, commands and groups. So can you see their file, right? So these are all first menus, right? These are tabs, and then groups, font group, paragraph group, these are groups, and the between you can see all the commands, right? Now you can see the horizontal ruler. So horizontal ruler measures the width of the document. Can you see you can change the horizontal rule according to your text. Same thing you can see access to here, okay, horizontal ruler measures the width of the document. You can resize the horizontal ruler. Then vertical ruler, vertical scroll bar, that is the vertical scroll bar shift the screen up and down. Okay, shift the screen up and down. Same thing, can you see the horizontal scroll bar again here? Okay, vertical and horizontal, okay, shifts the, okay, right and left. Okay, now you can see the buttons, that is a here, right, quick access toolbar, right, quick access toolbar, it provides the button to access the commands the frequently used, right. Okay, now can you see the window, 2 windows? As soon as you open a Microsoft Word, you can see the application window and the document window. Okay, so application window, okay, so application window, so can you see the outer side, right? So that is application window, and the inside the window is known as document window. Okay, the larger window is called the application window, and the smaller window inside the window is known as document window, okay, which is inside the application window is called document. So outer side is which one? Application window, and the inside you can see one more, that is a white part where you are typing, so that is known as which one? Document window. Now we will start the Microsoft Word, start Microsoft Office and Microsoft Word 2007. Okay, can you see now? Okay, this is our screen, right? So home, insert, page layout, right? So these are all tabs, right? And the clipboard, paragraph, font, these are all groups. In between all the commands are there. With the help of these commands, okay, now blank document, office button, click on the blank document. Okay, now we are going to create a blank document. Okay, now you can use a control plus N. Okay, blank document file, or you can press control, shortcut key is control plus N. Okay, so blank document, can you see this? By default it will come document 1. I have opened the so many documents. Now see here, new blank documents, 5-6 documents I have opened, right? Okay, I will close one by one because I need a one document. So this is the new document. Understood now how to create a new document? Okay, by using shortcut is control plus N. Is that clear now? Understood now? Okay, now we will open because I have closed all the file. So Microsoft Office and the Microsoft Word 2007. Is that clear, children? Okay, this is now. Okay, now we will start again. When and new, click on the new or control plus N. Remember children, the shortcut key is control plus N. Okay, now you will start writing the here text. Okay, now while writing the text, okay, view, okay, click on the view. So here you can do, you want to take out the ruler, click on the view. Can you see this box? Just you click the yes tick mark, the tick mark should be there, then only you can see the ruler. So now here I want only ruler, so I will take, because I can scroll the horizontal and vertical ruler, I can decrease or increase the ruler, so that's why I am taking a ruler. Okay, okay. So now while typing, remember, okay, before that you see in your book it is given birthday invitation letter, that is, okay, you can see how it has happened to a small, they have taken a small area to write the letter, okay, because only 2 to 3 lines are there. So here if I'll start, now I have already typed it, okay, just I will copy paste. Okay, now see here, okay, now can you see the scroll bar here, ruler, I have, yes. Now I want to resize the, no, because I want this type of letter, okay, in the small area. Okay, now how I'll in here I can decrease the ruler, take the ruler, okay, right and left side you can decrease it, see, you can resize the ruler, okay, according to your letter. Okay, now can you see here? And remember, while typing a text, okay, you should remember 3 things. Do not press the enter key when you reach at the end of the line. If you see here, the cursor is there, okay, don't press enter key, because while typing text you will find that the cursor automatically shifts to the next line. Okay, so don't press enter key. When you will press enter key, suppose if you want to start a new line, okay, so dear friends, then new line you are invited to, that is my new line, then I will press enter key. So remember, each and every line don't press the enter key. So here the word processor will automatically adjust what? The line, okay, because it will see the margin, okay, according to the margin it will adjust. Okay, now you want to, okay, resize the margin, because I want to, okay, you have to take a small area and I have to type the letter. I have typed the letter, but see the left side now how I am taking, and just select, first of all select the text and resize the margin. Okay, how will you see here? Okay, before that select it and then resize the margin wherever you want to start. Okay, so now I want to start from here, so I will resize. The same thing right side also, can you see this margin? Just take out and drag it. Is that clear, children? See here. So this way you can start typing. Remember, don't press the enter key when you reach at the end of the line. Okay, when you want to start a new line, okay, then only you have to press the enter key. Is the children clear? Okay, now you understood how to type a letter. Okay, with the help of keyboard we are going to write a yes. Now you can see again, if you want, I am resizing the yes. Okay, but before that you have to select it. That is very important. Yes, children. Okay, now here how you want to save your file. How will you save your file? Okay, creating document, control plus N. Now office button and save as. Okay, click on save as. Okay, when you click on the save as one, you can see the computer will give you one dialog box. Okay, that is very important because where you are saving the file. So here save as. Okay, you will get a dialog box. It is asking where you want to save your file and file name. Now for example, always here drives, you know the last class you have learned drives. So click on the computer, you will get all the drives from your computer. Now here I think all of you, I will take I drive because it is empty drive. Here I can save. So here I will give the file name properly. So I have written birthday invitation. If you are not writing the file name, the automatically computer will take the first line, that is a birthday invitation I have written. The same thing you can save, or you can give a different name and then click on the save. But remember children, where you have saved the file? In the I drive. There are the different drives are there, right? Okay, so C drive, D drive, I drive. So where you want to save, select the location, okay, to save your file. Okay, and shortcut key is for what? Control plus key. To save your file, control plus S. No need to go to file again and again, file and save. To again control plus save. Once you are saved, okay, then click on save and you can continue your work. Okay, just write down the save when you will type and start now. Control S. Yes children, now can you see this? Okay. Okay, now in this session we have learned, right, what are the components of Microsoft Word and how to create a new text, right, and how to save your file, isn't it? Okay, in the next session we will learn copy paste and other commands. We will stop this session. Sai Ram.